Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate teamwork.com for client project management, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate teamwork.com for client project management, begin by visiting the teamwork.com website. Click on the Get Started button located on the home page. You will be prompted to create an account. Provide your email address and create a secure password. Once you have filled in the required fields, click Sign Up. After signing up, check your email for a confirmation message. Open the email and click on the confirmation link to verify your account. Now, return to teamwork.com and log in with your newly created credentials. After logging in, you will be taken to the dashboard. To create a new project, click on the Projects tab in the top menu. Then, select New Project from the drop-down menu. In the Project Creation window, enter a name for your project. You can also add a description to provide context for your team and clients. Set the project status to active to begin managing client tasks. Next, select the relevant clients you want to involve in this project. If you haven't added clients yet, go to the People section. Click on Add Client to input their details. Fill in the client's name and email address, then click Add Client to save changes. Now, return to your project and assign team members who will be collaborating on it. To do this, click on the Team section of your project. Search for team members by name, select them, and assign specific roles as needed. Next, add tasks to your project by navigating to the Tasks section. Click on Add Task to create new tasks, and specify due dates and assignees. Utilize labels and priorities to categorize tasks for better organization. To attach files and documents, go to the Files section of your project. Upload the necessary documents for easy access by your team and clients. As your project progresses, use the time tracking feature to monitor hours spent on tasks. Ensure to communicate regularly by utilizing the Messages section for updates. Once everything is set up, inform your clients about their access to the project. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.